Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Shabby Dollhouse. This is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all this beautiful table runner that I altered. I had this for years and I took it out and was using it on my table. And I thought, how beautiful would it be if I altered it with some of Esme's beautiful laces? So this is actually the back. And this is how it turned out. And y'all, I am just so thrilled with this. I think it is gorgeous. I thought it would be so pretty to have something like this on my table while I film. So I used her beautiful baby pink satin, which, by the way, you don't have to add anything on this. You can just start adding your laces. I just wanted the laces to show more, so that's why I put the satin behind it. So I used her beautiful laces all the way around it. Some up here on the top, and this one goes all the way around. And I have another beautiful CMS lace in the middle here. And I use these beautiful appliques here. She actually had these for $1, y'all, in one of her sales. I love these. So I have one on the top and the bottom, and I have this beautiful rose applique I got in my design team box. And I thought that was the only one I have, but I actually have another one in my stash. So I used her beautiful applique here, and this is actually a big applique with this on the bottom. So I just cut that off, and I got me another one and added it to the sides just to make this rose stand out more. So I love this, y'all. I think it is so beautiful. I don't know if anybody's ever done this before. I'm sure they have, but I was just so excited. I was like, I have to use this as a design team project because I used her laces. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little one. And this is just a Battenberg doily. And I'm going to use this beautiful Shabby Chic fabric here, which, like I said, you don't have to add anything. I just want some pink underneath the laces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this on, and I'll be right back. All right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to sew around the edge of this doily here, and you can see that I have it pinned on. So I'm going to sew around this, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I am back, and this is what it looks like. So I just very carefully sewed around the edges. So you can totally skip this part. Like I said, you don't even have to add anything underneath it. And you also don't have to sew. So it looks beautiful just as it is. And I did iron it, but I don't know, it's like all messed up again. But that's okay. So we're basically just going to glue our appliques and stuff on here. And I already have a pile here of different things I played around with, so that the video wouldn't be too long. So I kind of have an idea. So I have these beautiful butterfly appliques here from Crafty Me Shop, and I just cut around. They had some type of lace around it, some kind of lined lace, and I just cut that off. And I have these flower appliques here. This is just a piece of one, and I thought I could make it work. And here's a bigger piece, just like the other one. And this is those dollar appliques. I hope that she gets more of these because I absolutely love them for projects like this. And this, I'm not sure where I got this, but it was already in my stash. I may not even use it, but I just brought it over here anyway. And this is one of the appliques I used on the table runner. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add this piece. Okay, that looks so beautiful already. I think that this is a very simple and easy project that anybody can do, and it's fun. And you know, you can put this anywhere. You can put it in your dining room, your kitchen, your bedroom, your craft room, just anywhere. With some candles maybe on top, which I have some on the side over there. I'm going to show you what it looks like with the candles on it when I'm done. So I'm not gonna go too crazy with the glue, but yeah, I just got that idea and I made that yesterday and was like blown away at how beautiful it was. So I thought I would just share it with y'all because I like to inspire other people, and I really think that this will inspire a lot of people, and I hope that y'all try it. It's not anything that takes too long to do, and it's fun. Alright, so I'm going to add this here. And you can use any size doily or table runner that you want. You can even do a really big tablecloth if you got, you know, the patience to do that, which I do, but yeah. See, that looks so beautiful. So beautiful. And these appliques are not expensive in Crafty Me Shop. She has them quite often, so I thought I would put these around here, like that. Like I did my other one. It's a very dreary day, so I hope that y'all can see my lighting is okay. Right? And I thought we could add these around the edges somewhere, like this. And we could put the butterflies on top. So we can add one here and there. Won't that look so beautiful? Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and glue these down. Sorry, we got geese flying over. They're pretty loud. So the tablecloth, what I did was I sewed the majority of all of the laces on there. And the appliques, I just used Fabri-Tac and glued them down. So you can use any glue you have. You can even use hot glue. All right. So I think this is a good way to just alter something that you have, because you know a lot of these old doilies and table runners have spots on them. You couldn't see them on my big one because they were covered, but there was a lot of stains on it, so you don't even see them anymore. So I'm going to turn this around and glue this one on. I hope that you all are staying busy crafting and you're doing well. We got so much rain last night, it was crazy. Our yard has been flooded for months. It's always like that this time of year though. Okay. So I'm going to try to put it the same spot as that one, the same length and even. I hope I got it even. That just looks so pretty already. Let's see. No, I don't think I'm going to use that. I don't even know why I brought that over here. I don't need it. Alright, so I'm going to use this applique here. And I love these because they're really thin. They're good for journals. And you can dye them so easily with the red dye or Kool-Aid or whatever you like to dye with. Avocado. I love dyeing with avocado. I need to get some. It makes the most beautiful pink color I've ever seen. Alright, so I'm just going to add it there like that. And I know it's covering that up, but it's okay. I'm going to add the butterfly. I don't think I have any more of these butterflies. I think this was my last two. So I thought they would look cute on the edges, because if you put your candles here, you won't be able to see them. If you put a rose or something right there, you won't be able to see the applique. So I know this one doesn't match because it's not as big as that one, but it's okay. I don't think I have any more of these, but I'm going to use it anyway because I think it's pretty, and it doesn't have to be exactly like the other side. Okay, we'll add it like right here. But what I'm going to do is put that like underneath right there so you don't see the part that's cut right there. So it's not as visible. Okay. All right. All right, look and see. Let me see. 12 minutes. You see how quick and easy this was? And it turned out beautiful. Actually, I'll leave it where it was. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and I think it's really beautiful, y'all. Let me move this right there. There we go. So I'm going to get my candles and, excuse my chair. Oop, so sorry. Let me get my candles, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the candles on there. So isn't that beautiful? So I hope that y'all like this simple and quick and easy little tutorial. Let me know what y'all think down below. I'd love to hear what you think about it. And I hope that y'all try it. I think it turned out stunning. So please let me know what you think down below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.